Thank you. First and foremost, over 50 families are being affected by your new roof purchase today. So thank you so much on behalf of all of us. We are grateful that you're trusting us to get this done. 4 quick things. 1, tell your neighbors, crazy construction site, the 1 or 2 days that we're there. It's just helpful if you let your neighbors know so they're not caught off guard. 2, if you have a Picasso hanging on your wall or plates and knickknacks, anything of importance, take it off the wall. Lots of banging, vibrations, things can fall off the walls. 3, the night before, pull your cars out. We come first thing in the morning. It's hot. We want to get started. We come early in the morning. Just park at your neighbor's house or in the street so we don't inconvenience you. 4, if you have anything important in the attic, just throw a sheet over it, throw a drop cloth, something. Rock granules is going to come down from the new roof install, and we just don't want to dirty that stuff for you. Call us if you need us. Someone's always here to answer your call.